We've had a really high focus on sugarcane harvesting and innovative products associated with that. Probably in the last 5 years, we've really pushed hard to become a 100% manufacturer, so we're not doing anything other than manufacturing equipment that we've designed here. I mean, we've successfully exported that now to 13 countries around the world, so a lot of sugar growing areas that are expanding or developing into mechanical cane harvesting, so they get coming from hand cutting to mechanical harvesting. We've successfully created products now that are renowned around the world in sugarcane harvesting. It started with a chopper system, so what we call Maxi Chop. That was that's our original innovation in cane harvesting, and that was led by a milling company down in New South Wales that wanted to go to cogeneration or whole of crop harvesting. It did open up opportunities for us to bring that to the rest of the industry, so it's quite exciting for us. And after that, we then started developing other products through our innovative process in harvesting productivity and reduction in losses. We've now got a crop divider system that we've exported a couple of them. We've got more going to the US this year, all being well. We've got a base cutter system with a self-sharpening blade, and that's our own innovation as well. It's really critical that we can collaborate with other companies on that. There's a lot of really great companies that do, different things, but they can be all brought together to have common values. So we see it as there may be something that we're doing that would benefit another company, or it could be integrated. A lot of our trial work, whether it be harvester trials or sugar trials or whatever, we need other collaboration of other industries to carry out those trials and process that data, and there's collaboration of all parties associated with what the outcome of that. So we're a really good growing region. In ag tech or in agriculture in general, we've got a lot of other crops grown here now other than sugarcane, alternative cropping, that's only really got going of late. So all of those farmers or the millers or the whoever's involved in that process, they need to learn everything about the other industries. We've got growth restraints in our facilities here, which we need to expand beyond. We've outgrown where we're at, so we've got no boundaries as far as engineering goes. We love innovation, so we've got some exciting projects on the go at the moment, but it's not so much a challenge but an excitement of what we can do.